Welcome DEKWP, Xiaogong Abor. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder why some companies just keep winning? It's not magic, it's their ability to handle the digital world. We're talking about the DIKWP model: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. Think of it as the ultimate engine for digital success. Today, we're cracking open a list of the top 100 global companies based on this very model. And guess what? The usual suspects are at the top. Alright, let's break down this DIKWP engine. It's not just fancy jargon, it's a framework for how companies actually work in the digital age. First, data to information. Can you turn raw data into something useful? Look at Amazon's $78 billion R&D spend. That's fueling insights. Second, information to knowledge. How do you organize all that info? Think Huawei's 7,689 PCT patents in 2022. That's structured knowledge. Third, knowledge to wisdom. This is where innovation happens. R&D, intensity. Patent counts. These are your K to W metrics. Fourth, wisdom to purpose. Does your vision translate into strategy? Think Apple's ecosystem. Finally, purpose to data. Does it all create value, driving back to more data? High market caps like Microsoft's over $1.5 trillion tell this story. It's a cycle, folks. So, who's winning the DIKWP race? The big three, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, are neck and neck, all scoring a solid 9.3 or higher. Microsoft edges out slightly with a 9.5, thanks to its AI and cloud dominance. Alphabet's data empire is immense. Amazon? E-commerce giant and AWS powerhouse. But look closer. OpenAI scores a perfect 10.0 in knowledge innovation. Talk about a specialized strength. Samsung knocked IBM off the top spot for US patents in 2022, showing incredible K to W power. Even Intel, a tech titan, sits at 7.9, reminding us that even giants can lag if strategy isn't sharp. These aren't just rankings, they're snapshots of capability. What does this ranking tell us about the future? First, the tech titans are still king for driving value. But look at the newcomers. OpenAI, Stripe, Databricks, they're punching above their weight, especially in knowledge innovation. This isn't just a US story either. China's Tencent, Alibaba, ByteDance, Europe's ASML, SAP, and even India's Tata Consultancy are making serious noise. The key takeaway: companies excelling in DIKWP build robust ecosystems and future-proof themselves. These top 100 aren't just playing the game, they're likely to define the next 5 years of the digital economy. They're the ones turning intent into impact. So, why should you care about this DIKWP ranking? Because it's more than just a cool list. It's a roadmap. Companies with high DIKWP scores aren't just surviving, they're thriving, driving innovation and creating value. Think Tesla, electric vehicles plus software mastery. That's potent DIK in action. The core message is clear. In today's world, having a clear intent and leveraging data effectively equals power. Keep an eye on these top players. They're not just participants, they're shaping the future. That's the DIKWP story.